you. And these educators work for some of the best organizations in the world. अभी तक मैंने प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में बहुत बोला, बट अल्टीमेटली ये प्लेटफॉर्म कब सक्सेस होगा दोस्तों? जब बेस्ट टीचर्स इस प्लेटफॉर्म में आके सिखाएंगे. Do you want to see who are going to teach you in this platform? We not only have some of the finest tutors, but legends of their own field. Allow me to introduce some of the legends, some of the finest tutors on our platform with their roles at MyDigiWorld. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise, show some love. Do you want to see the best teachers in the world? Let's begin. Introducing the actor, the choreographer, Mayuresh Wadkar. Mayuresh has been a part of various movies and dance reality shows. He was in Dance India Dance. He was in the famous Hindi movie ABCD and many more movies he has acted. He will come in our platform and teach us the dancing. Let us welcome with huge round of applause Miss Natasha Gandhi. She is the MasterChef India finalist. Natasha is the MasterChef India 2019 season 6. She is just 26 years old and also a founder and owner of a restaurant House of Millets in Mumbai, where she cooks very healthy and gluten-free recipes. Friends, let's welcome Leena Mogre, a fitness guru that every famous Bollywood celebrity is looking for. She has been a celebrity fitness trainer for Madhuri Dixit, Bipasa Basu, John Abraham, Katrina Kaif, Kangana Ranaut, Samira Reddy, Jimmy Shergill and many other Bollywood celebrities. She's also a nutritionist and she's also a sports medical coach. Friends, have you all heard about a singing competition called Indian Idol in Sony TV? Yeah? सुना है ना आपने? Indian Idol तो सुना ही होगा, बहुत famous है. Then we have here the first Indian Idol of the country, Abhijit Sawant himself. He's a famous Bollywood singer and will teach in our platform singing the best way, the better way, how the famous singers sing in this Bollywood world. Friends, the list is bigger and more exciting. अभी तक जितने नाम सुने आपको exciting लगे कि नहीं? We make sure that every individual MyDigiWorld learner gets the best learning from the best teachers. Next, क्या आप acting सीखना चाहते हैं? Do you want to learn acting? Do you want to become an actor? And here we have a Bollywood mega star who has done more than 400 plus films. Here, let's welcome Mr. Gulshan Grover, the famous face of Bollywood, one of the finest actors from India to the world. He has not only acted in Bollywood, he has also acted in very international cinemas, in Hollywood movies. He has worked in at least 12 Indian languages and is a very famous celebrity across India. Our next legendary tutor is another Bollywood Indian film actor and a motivational speaker who predominantly worked in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam and Bengali languages. Friends, none other than Ashish Vidyarthi. He is a national award winner. He has received various Filmfare Awards, Star Screen Awards. He is now teaching and taking various training sessions to leading corporate houses like Reliance, Tata, L&T, etc. He will be teaching us on our platform the art of oration and public speaking. Our next legendary tutor is a Bollywood actress who is also a doctor and also a psychologist. Aditi Govitrikar has been a face of multiple Bollywood movies and also has been awarded as Rajiv Gandhi Award for National Personality of the Year. She will give insights on multiple aspects on health and fitness, mental healing, beauty, nutrition and well-being. Hold on. Next is the legend, who needs no introduction. He is a famous former Indian footballer, played as a striker and once considered as a torchbearer of Indian football in the international arena. Any guesses, friends? कुछ तो guess करो. He is none other than Bhaichung Bhutia. He is a Padma Shri and Arjuna Award recipient. He was declared Indian Player of the Year 3 times in a row. He comes with a wealth of experience in Indian football scenario and will be teaching the learners all about football techniques, strategies in the field and how to be a skilled and talented striker in football. Guys, which is one favorite game of all Indians? Gali Gali, Nukkad of India plays cricket. How can we leave that? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome the legend himself. He is none other than Mohammad Azharuddin. He was one of the best successful captains of Team India. He has played 99 tests, 334 one-day matches for India, and he holds various records to his name. He will come in our platform specially to teach us cricketing skills and his experiences on the field and off the field. So you're all excited to hear all these names, right? But there are many more celebrities with us joining in this MyDigiWorld platform. Friends, we make money, everyone make money for living. And for what? For food. Everyone wants to eat the best food in this world. Women will love this celebrity the most. He is the favorite of all Indian kitchens. Friends, he has taken a route of stomach to win your heart directly. Let me introduce the legend, none other than Khana Khazama fame, Sanjeev Kapoor. He is the legendary famous Indian celebrity, chef, entrepreneur and television personality, and he runs various restaurants across the world. He has been the judge of various MasterChef programs and he will be live with us in our platform to teach you the best culinary dishes. So friends, let's hear a few of the celebrities speak.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ अभिजीत सावंत।
मेरा नाम है आशीष विद्यार्थी।
मैं गुलशन ग्रोवर।
मेरा नाम केशव अरोड़ा है।
I'm Leena Mogri.
मैं हूँ शेफ संजीव कपूर।
आई मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन।
मैं नताशा गांधी।
मैं हूँ राघव सचर। अगर आपने कभी म्यूजिशियन बनने का सपना देखा है तो आप सही जगह पे आए हैं।
अगर आप एक्टिंग सीखना चाहते हैं,
अगर क्रिकेट आपका एक सच्चा जुनून है,
संगीत की अलग अलग चीजें, सिंगिंग के अलग अलग तौर तरीके और स्टेज फियर पर कैसे काम करना है,
And if you're a fitness enthusiast, I'm here to take your fitness regime to the next level.
खाना बनाना मजा तो बहुत आता है, सीखने का दिल भी करता है। घबराइए नहीं, मैं हूं ना आपके साथ।
आप नए मूव्स के साथ ऐसे स्किल्स सीखेंगे जो आपको बिंदास डांसर बनने के लिए हेल्प करेंगे। ये सब होगा मेरे कोर्स और मेरे गाइडेंस के थ्रू।
With MyDigiWorld app, you can learn from me, grow your musical skills, take all the knowledge that I have to offer.
कई कोर्सेज और स्किल्स सीख सकते हैं जो आपके पर्सनल और करियर लाइफ को बूस्ट करेंगे।
यहाँ पर आप पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, कुकिंग, फिटनेस, डांस, म्यूजिक, लैंग्वेजेस, हर चीज सीख सकते हैं। मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये हुनर आप लोग भी सीखें।
मैं आपको ऐसा नॉलेज दूंगा जो आपको अपने सपने के और भी करीब लेकर आएगा।
Accomplish your fitness goals
on MyDigiWorld।
MyDigiWorld।
MyDigiWorld
डाउनलोड कीजिए,
ज्वाइन कीजिए।
A platform to do more and be more।
दोस्तों, from time to time, we will ensure we get the best celebrities to teach us various things in this platform. We make sure everyone is an expert teacher in their own field.